Hello YouTube, this is Suicide 3 here. I'm giving you a quick new update on climbing gear. So I'm looking at the figure of 8 versus a rescue 8, and I'm just going to pan the camera down here, mind the crotch shot. So here we have a standard figure of 8. You notice that it's a large and a small O, the small O being the part that clips into your harness. I'm going to take a piece of rope, you get a bite of rope, passes through the large piece, goes through the small O, it plies into the carabiner, making sure that we lock it off securely. Unless you've got something that auto locks, then no needs worries. And finger or thumb in bum, and you slowly release the rope through, which lets you descend. The only problem with the 8 is if the rope somehow manages to come into a almost clove hitch at the bottom, meaning that it is locked off from the top and from the bottom, you're going nowhere. And unless you can somehow bring yourself back to a starting point where the rope bites at the bottom of the figure of 8, you're going absolutely nowhere. Now we'll just release ourselves from that and bring ourselves to the rescue 8, which you'll notice has some wings on the side. Again, we bring a bite through the big O over the little O, goes back through the carabiner, lock it off for security. Again, thumb in bum to rappel down, the rope goes through nice smoothly. The big difference is, no matter how hard you try, the rope cannot come over itself and cause the locking or biting situation that you get with the standard 8, whereby the rope comes up over itself and creates a really frustrating knot that, unless you've got sufficient gear on yourself, you're not going to get out of very easy. It's going to be a rescue situation. Something like a rescue 8 is going to be involved to get you out of that situation. The lovely thing about a rescue 8 is you can bring it over and over, and you are in a locked position. You can actually go hands free at this point and you are totally safe. Obviously you want to back this up with some other form of slip knot or a knot above the top to further secure yourself, but the rope is significantly bound upon itself that it's going absolutely nowhere. 1, 2, back to the top, back again, and you're rappelling back down once more. Thank you very much YouTube. This has been Suicide 3, Rescue 8 versus a Standard 8. Ta-ta.